Hello, this is Dan here, and I'm doing a tutorial on making a flying machine that you can stand on. And this is going to be for Bedrock Edition because I found a lot of tutorials that don't help with Bedrock. And this is on my Windows 10 Bedrock Edition. So if it doesn't work on others, please let me know. And this is going to be a flying bridge that we can walk on. And we're going to go from this side to that side and be able to fly back. So it's two-way. It's a two-way flying machine in Minecraft Bedrock Edition that uses honey blocks so you can stick to it. So let's fly over to this to see how it's made. We have a very simple flying machine. Let's take the honey off first. We got 4 sides. This is going to be a sticky piston, a normal piston, and have stickies on top. Then over here, stickies on bottom. So it's just a square of them, sticky here, normal, normal. So if we want to start going this way, let's put the honey blocks on. And minus the observers, that's the basis of the flying machine right there. So if we want to fly, we're going to put observers on. So let's get those placed. We are going to be going with it facing towards there. And we're going to have the other one facing right inside there. So that's the machine that flies. To launch it off, let's launch it and look at the launch circuit. Really simple stuff. So we have this obsidian to stop it from moving. You need that on both ends or else you're just going to lose it. You can use a mass of land or anything to stop it. But this, if we have the sticky piston on top on this side, going this way, then we're going to have non-sticky pistons right here pushing up the observers. And that's why we place the observer on them. And this is going to be 1. And then this is going to have 4 ticks between it. So it's going to push this one, do 4 ticks, then push this one. Really simple circuit. Over here, we want to pull the observers down for it to fly that way. So we're going to use sticky pistons. So let's push this button, find out how it's a little different. It flies away. We have the obsidian here, obviously, to stop it. We have the really simple circuit of regular input. And then we're going to have 6. You might be able to get away with 5, but I tried 4 and it worked 80% of the time. Every once in a while it would mess up. So if you do 6, it's going to go up, push that up, fly this way once, and then this is waiting to go. So let's watch that really quick, and then we'll just finish the tutorial there. So it flies all the way to this end, and when you're on this side, you push the button, and that one's waiting, and it pulls it down at the right time. You see that? Excellent. So with this really simple idea, you can make it hold up to about 12 blocks on each side. You can't push more than that, obviously. But I would say that this is a good shape and size for making a bridge when you want to go pretty long in one direction and then come back. So 2 ways and while you ride it. So we can push the button, stay on it. And that is how in Bedrock Edition you can make a 2-way flying machine that you can stand on with honey blocks. Thank you.